We continued moving towards the village of Alaha. We crossed through the village of Alaha until we came to the place where the Prophet ﷺ met Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu. So the Prophet ﷺ met Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu where Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu was returning from Sham, and he gave the Prophet ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhum a gift of two white pieces of cloth to wear for entering into Medina. We are now at the point in Al-Qaha as well, where the Prophet ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, while traveling, they met Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu. They were returning from Sham, from Syria, and they came to Medina, and then from Medina they were going to Mecca. At this point is where they met Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu, and Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu was with his caravan, and he gave the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu a pair of white clothing as a gift. And he told them that the people of Medina are waiting for you anxiously, that they are aware that you are arriving and they are waiting for you anxiously. And then it happened so, which we will discuss later on, that the Prophet ﷺ then changed his route and made his route shorter from here towards Medina. So this was the main path where the normal caravans used to go, and that's why Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu had met the Prophet ﷺ on this normal path.